Welcome to your low voltage pre-apprenticeship. In this pre-apprenticeship course and in the following section of the course, you will be using an online textbook. That online textbook is provided by Pearson. Starting on your home page, I will be showing you how to access that textbook for the first time. Your modules page has a Getting Started module that will include important information about your course. From this module, select Use your access code to register your textbook. You will not be individually purchasing your textbooks for this course. Instead, the textbook purchase price has been included in your course fees. You will be receiving an access code to use when purchasing your text. The invitation to access your textbook will take you to this Pearson page. You will be selecting Pearson Collections Low Voltage Electrical. This is a custom textbook made exclusively for your course. In order to use this material, you can select I have not purchased this material. What will happen then is that if you have already received your access code, you can click Redeem. And if you have not received your access code, you can get a 7-day temporary access to your course. The access code will come to you either through your instructor or through the course coordinator. If you were to redeem your access code, it will ask you to go to your Pearson sign-in. Now, if you've had a Pearson account in the past for other courses, you may want to use your username and password to find your course. Otherwise, you should create an account. It is recommended that when you create your Pearson account, you use your AACC email. The reason for this is because you will not have to sign into this Pearson again during this term. Instead, Canvas will establish a connection directly with Pearson. It can do that better if you are using a consistent email address. You will confirm your email address. You may choose a username that does not need to be your email address, but it should be something that's easy for you to remember. Again, also choose an easy-to-remember password because you'll use it only once per term. AACC Password Services will not be able to help you to recover this password, so you will have to do that directly with Pearson. You'll go down, add your name and your first name and last name, and then you'll select your role, whether you're the instructor or student of the course. In this case, you're the student. You'll then create your account. After you create your account, you will have an opportunity to purchase this text using your provided code. Once you've purchased the text, you will access it through Canvas each time. You can also download an app from Pearson that would allow you to use this textbook on any mobile device that you have, as well as your own laptop. In order to access your textbook, you should have a link in each module to Pearson Revel, which is the ebook provider. When you click that link, Pearson will load in a new window and should give you direct access to your text. You may need to select Load Pearson in a new window. From the top of the page, you can directly open the book or use the table of contents below. The book has a digital table of contents. You can also bookmark areas that you would like to return to. It will typically open to the last page that you viewed. If you're looking for something specific in the book, you may find the search tool useful. You can also take notes in the notebook or create your own study tools using this Pearson ebook.